everyone, in this video, I will demonstrate how you can easily remove the background from a picture in Canva without needing Canva Pro. Let's dive in. First, open Canva and start a new design. Then look to the left side of the screen where you should see apps. Click on it and search for background eraser. Choose the first option that appears. Now, within the background eraser tool, upload the image you want to work on. Simply select the file and click Remove Background. Wait for the tool to process the image. After a few seconds, you will see that the background has been completely removed from the picture. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And there you have it. That's how you can seamlessly remove backgrounds in Canva without the need to upgrade to Canva Pro. Thank you for watching.